Maestro Dashboard is a key entry point for both finding out the data about your infrastructure and cooperation between teams. Anything you can see here is also by default available for any of your teammates within your tenant. The dashboard represents the key indicators and findings that can be reached by cloud or tenant name and are grouped in separate views for your convenience. In the FinOps view, you can see the general infrastructure statistics, top spendings per cloud, service, or resource type, and other financial metrics. In optimization, you can find underutilized and outdated resources as well as potential savings from migration to newer types and families. In security, you can find the security checks, vulnerability statistics, and multiple standards compliance. The data represented here are live. You can change the representation for a more convenient visualization and investigation. Moreover, these are not just numbers and summaries, this is also an entry point for details. Clicking on an item gives you a deep dive into a specific value so that you can take a closer look at its origins. The dashboard UI leads the user through their investigation. For any metric, you can find a detailed explanation and can add your own comment if you would like to keep some notes on its values. If you need the dashboard content to be better adjusted to your daily tasks, you can easily customize it by adding or removing items and save it as a different view. Thus, you can have different toolsets for different types of tasks. Moreover, you can quickly cooperate with your teammates by sharing the dashboard data with just several clicks. First, you can download specific data as CSV or send detailed reports that will be delivered to your email for further work. Sharing a dashboard as an email allows to share a snapshot of the set of current values if you would like to draw attention and take a deeper look at specific indicators and numbers. However, you can also share the whole dashboard to cooperate in live mode. The person with whom you share doesn't need to have access to your tenant. For example, this can be the central FinOps department who needs data for monthly reports, or the security team who analyzes compliance rate across the enterprise. Also, the commands left on a shared dashboard are visible to both owner and recipient so they can communicate on the go. Thus, Maestro Dashboard is a great entry point for management, development, financial, and security teams, which grants a unified access to the key infrastructure data, gives ground for detailed investigation and review, and also provides a common toolset for effective joint decision-making, where each team can both share their goals and needs and understand those of the other departments.